Most traders only use indicators on TradingView, but that's just scratching the surface. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful tools on TradingView, completely free, and exactly how to use them, step by step. Let's begin. Tool 1. Anchored VWAP. This isn't just an indicator, it's a built-in tool on TradingView. Here's how to use it. On the left toolbar, click the arrow to projection. Select Anchored VWAP. Now, click on a significant candle, like a breakout, a top, or a low. This draws the VWAP line starting from that candle, showing the average price weighted by volume from that point forward. If the price is above the line, buyers are in control. Below the line, sellers are stronger. It's a powerful way to anchor your analysis to key events. Tool 2. Fixed range volume profile. This tool shows you where trading activity was concentrated within a specific range. On the left toolbar, click at projection once again, then select Fixed Range Volume Profile. Now, click and drag across any price range, from left to right. You'll see 3 main levels: the point of control, POC in white, value area high, VAH, and value area low, VAL. POC is where most trades happened, the price level with the highest volume. The area between VAH and VAL is called the value area, where 70% of the total trading volume took place. Use it to identify strong support and resistance zones, and where breakouts are likely to occur. Tool number 3. Volume bars. This one is basic, but extremely effective. Volume shows you how strong or weak a price move really is. To turn it on, click the indicators icon at the top and search for volume. Click on the built-in volume indicator, and you'll see bars appear below your chart. A price move with low volume could be a trap. But when strong volume backs up a breakout, that's real confirmation. Tool 4. Trendline Tool. Every technical trader needs this. Go to the left toolbar, click Trendline Tool, and start drawing from swing highs or swing lows. Turn on magnet mode for precise anchor points. Use it to mark trend channels, triangles, or breakout zones. More touches mean stronger structure. Simple, but critical for price action analysis. And tool number 5, the long and short position tool. Want to plan your trade with proper risk management? Here's how to do it visually. On the left side toolbar, find the 5th icon from the top. That's the projection tool. Click it, you'll see long position and short position tools. Select the one you need, then click on your chart. A position box will appear showing entry, target, and stop loss levels. You can drag and adjust everything, and it shows you the risk to reward ratio automatically. This is perfect for building trading discipline and staying consistent with your setups. These 5 tools are all free and already built into TradingView. Which tool is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your trading friends. Thanks for watching.